Hello and Nyob. My name is Miss Moua and I'm here to teach you how to Hmong dance. So you may be wondering, what is Hmong dancing? Well, Hmong dancing is cultural dances of the Hmong people. I'm Hmong. Hmong dances are adaptations of other countries, cultures, and dances you've been exposed to. So for example, you may say that Hmong dancing is quite similar to traditional Chinese dances, Thai, Lao, and Cambodian dances, because those are all countries that Hmong people used to live in and still live in today. Today here in America, you can see that a lot of Hmong dances have evolved. We have included a lot of the modern dance techniques into Hmong cultural dancing. Alright, let's get started. But before we do, I need to first change to my Hmong clothes.
And I'm back. Wow, just look at my outfit. Isn't it gorgeous? I'm wearing a traditional Hmong outfit, my traditional coins, and my necklace. Oh, cannot forget about the hat. Oh, before I forget, the most important thing you can wear for a Hmong dance is your smile. So make sure you say cheese and smile. Alright, fingers. You don't want them too relaxed. You don't want them pointing straight up. You want them kind of bent and curved to the side. Yes, just like that. Good job. With your fingers, you don't want them too far apart. You don't want them right next to each other. You want them just right. Okay, now let's get started. The first thing we're going to work on is our feet. We're going to do a feet movement called the side step. Side, step, side, step, side, step, and side, step. That's pretty easy, right? Let's do it one more time with counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, good job. Make sure you keep your smile on. Gentlemen, put your hands behind you, and ladies, have your hands on your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, awesome work. Now let's go ahead and move on to our hands. For our hand movement, the first one we're going to do, I like to call it the windshield wiper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doesn't it look like you're cleaning windows? Now let's go ahead and add in our feet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Way to go! Now let's go ahead and add in our new move. This new move, I like to call it the rainbow, because it looks like you're creating rainbows with your hands. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you smile. Now let's add the rainbow with our feet. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! That's how you do it. Now let's add all the 3 moves and put them together. Oh, make sure you smile. Remember, it's feet, windshield wipers, and then rainbow. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! I'm sure you did an excellent job. Make sure you click the buttons below, and I'll see you next time. Until then, Shinji Dua and Ochao.